Why would I worry when giants come calling my name?
1st November 2025, a day that marks not just a date, but a beautiful beginning.
Two hearts, two souls, and one promise to walk together through every joy, every challenge, and every dream that life brings.
It's more than an engagement, it's the start of forever, a promise sealed with love, trust, and hope.
Today, as they take this step, may their love grow deeper, their bond stronger, and their journey brighter than ever before.
Here's to love, laughter, and a lifetime of togetherness.
Happy Engagement Day. Rob and Bet, engaged forever.
My God is faithful. His promise is true. So I speak to the mountains. Oh, it's time to move. 'Cause my God is bigger, better, stronger, greater than you. My enemies scatter, 'cause they know the battle is